Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is should be an 8.5 and 11-inch magnetic sign holder. So we're gonna give this thing a try and look and see how we can get this thing going. Let's see. So here we go. So this is what we get here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have the 5 magnets on there as well. So let's just take one and one. And let's put this aside and let's see if we can figure this out here. Hopefully we can. So, well, let's even explain it. Dual purpose, magnetic tape, adhesive tape. Now we have options on it, but let's take this out. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So this is the sign holder. It has a little finger hold up here. So put stuff in there. See, how do I get this? Can I take this paper out, or does that paper just stay in the back? Okay, that paper can come out. There we go. So there, and let's say we want to put Penny's certificate of completion in here instead, because that's more important to us than their signage. Okay, so let's take out their paper and put Penny's certificate of completion from her training in there, and look at that. Now we have that, and then here is the magnetic strip for it. So here's the magnets, and it looks like, do they have the tape on it already? I don't know what this is then. I guess this is maybe additional tape. Looks like they come with the tape for it already. So let's peel off a tape. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. There we go. Let's say it'll go up here. One up top, and then we'll do one at the bottom. Okay. We'll do, oops. I guess it really doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect on that magnet side because you don't see it. And then this magnet, there we go. We can magnet it up to anything. I'll put it on the fridge, but there you go. You can see her certificate of completion. How cool is that? Really nice thing. So now Penny's certificate of completion, it looks nice and shiny. It looks like it's in a frame. So super cool. I like it. So if you have signs to put up places, you can get this and hang up the signs. I guess this would be additional tape, or if you wanted to tape it directly to something to have it more permanent, you could. And then you have the little finger hole so you could take it out and put other papers in. So you could always switch it out if you have like an office door or something like that. You have different options. And so here's the instructions, I guess, if you really need them. But I think I figured it out without it. But super cool. Thumbs up.